Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use video call effects to change your background when you're making a video call. So all you have to do is swipe up and go to your settings, scroll all the way down guys to where you'll find the advanced features, tap on that, then scroll down to where you'll find video call effects, tap on that. Now from here you will get a little bit of information about what video call effects is and how you can go ahead and change the background, and also to even go ahead and add background images. And as you can see below, it shows the available apps. So any app you have in your phone that allows you to make video calls, then you'll be able to utilize these settings with those apps. So as you can see, I can switch between different backgrounds here. And of course, you can also go ahead and choose multicolor and choose whichever you want. You can choose between the swatches, or you can go to spectrum and you can go ahead and play and go ahead and find a unique color of your choice, right? And once you do that, click on done, and that will be set. Now you can also add images. So if you tap on the plus here below the images, you can choose whatever images you have in your phone, and you can go ahead and choose whatever you want. Very easy stuff. Just go ahead and choose the image and click and done once you do that. Now this is all there is to it guys. Now this is going to help you to have privacy so that people cannot see your background of where you are when you're making those video calls, and this can be very useful. But that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple guys.